Look at your hand. It seems solid, but the reality is far stranger, a world built from paradox. Your hand, the screen in front of you, the very air you breathe, it's all composed of atoms, and atoms are 99.999% empty space. So what's stopping you from falling right through the floor? Let's journey inside. At the center of every atom lies the nucleus. Imagine an atom expanded to the size of a football stadium. The nucleus, containing virtually all the mass, would be a single marble at the center of the pitch. This dense heart holds two types of particles. First, the protons, which are positively charged. The proton count is the atom's identity card. 6 protons will always be carbon, 79 will always be gold. Change the number, you change the element. But with all that positive charge packed so tightly, why doesn't the nucleus explode from repulsion? That's the job of the neutrons. They have no charge and act as a powerful nuclear glue. They provide the strong nuclear force, the most powerful force in the universe, binding the nucleus together. Whizzing around this core in a vast and distant cloud are the tiny, negatively charged electrons. They are almost weightless, organized into energetic shells. Their arrangement dictates how atoms react, creating the entire world of chemistry. And the reason you're not falling through the floor? It's electrostatic repulsion. The electrons in your shoes are fiercely pushing against the electrons in the ground. You aren't truly touching it. You're floating on a microscopic cushion of force. The solid world we experience is an illusion, a beautiful and complex dance of invisible forces in an astonishingly empty space.